Alright, let's jump right into it. Damn right I got knives here with another knife review. But as always, starting it off with the record I'm listening to right now. Who is Willian Onyeabor? Try and be quicker here because some of these videos I just take a long time and then I edit them. But here we go. Nigerian guy. Amazing. Had a recording studio and film studio in Nigeria. First guy was supposedly to have some synthesizers around and do some recording like that. Way back when was this recorded? There's a whole documentary about him. Really interesting stuff. I can't remember the exact years this was all recorded and dealt with, but this particular record was released in 2013. Compilation of some of his records. I also have a few of his other records. Cool artwork. It's a triple LP, so 3 luscious black vinyl, all come in their own little like thing, like this. I'm gonna be quick here. Great artwork, really cool stuff. Inside, there's the man. Here's some of his albums right here. I have these two right here, as well as this one. But yeah, anytime you get a chance to check them out, this is great stuff. I'm drinking this. Right here is a bottle of wine that was given to me and my wife by a friend. Riesling, Charta. I don't know. It's good. Good wine. Had it with dinner. Now having some more after dinner. Thank you, Jill, for the wine. Alright. I was going to get some rattlers on the way home, but then I forgot, and I got home, and luckily there was this bottle of wine here. Alright. Moving right along. Got a package today, too, that I was really excited about. So, kind of know what is up here. Alright. Packing slip, of course. I got this again from Nice Knife Center. What do we got here? That's right. There it is. That's not all in the box. We got something else too right here. First I'll show you this, what I got, which just for the heck of it, because I don't have a knife shirts at all, but I really like their logo a lot. I'm not a logo guy. I don't normally wear printed t-shirts, but something about this one just appealed to me, and I just like that butterfly knife thing there. All the belly songs going off. Little print on the front as well. Add to my black t-shirt collection. Let's get that out of the way. Now going here, a cool box. Simple printed gold. Is that gold or silverish gold? Lettering on the box. You got some info here. Card, warranty, maintenance tips. Got a nice little sticker. And that foam, it's loose in there. Kind of like the Spyderco does it. Just a random little piece of that. And that's the box. Nothing too great about the box, but not a bad box. There's just some boxes, they go all out and they make them really cool. This is just kind of a regular box. It has a good thickness note, though. It's not like, it's not gonna just cave in on itself. It's a good box. All right. Let's have another sip. So as we're looking at this, Squid Industries. Cool little bag. Let's get into this. Here it comes. All right, there it is. You can almost see what that is if you know this knife, but it's the Mako shark knife. But it's not a knife, it's just a bottle opener. trainer, belly song trainer. Oof. Let me do that again. Whoa, I'm afraid I'm gonna hit that wine bottle right there. Let's get it out of the way. I'm not no pro, I'm not super good at this either. Russ, they're so slow. That's why I got this, so I could hopefully speed it up a little. All right, there's the. So this is the safe edge here with this little fin. And imagine the bite edge, which would have the blade. It's going to bite you. It's also got this little finger thing down here I've seen, which, if that comes on you, bam, whacky, hurt. But, so, safe handle is this one. Oh, let me get that figure eight better. There we go. There it is. Alright. One thing I want to do to this, and I already had this prepared, is these right here. Just to kind of signify the bite edge. I'm going to just do this real quick on camera to show what I'm going to do. I've seen different people do rubber bands, do different things. And I had these little stickers, and I thought that those might just be perfect. And I thought it would be a good look, too. I'm going to put one on each side. And what this is going to do is just let me know which edge is supposed to be the sharp one. Because when you get a real one, which I have a real one, which I'll show you in a bit, you're going to want to make sure you're not grabbing the sharp edge, not cutting your fingers off. Now I always know which edge is the sharp, the bite edge. That thing does hurt a little. Feels like it hurts a little, but not bad. It just makes you just get a little bit more fluid, probably. Maybe that's why they put it on there. It's like... Anyways, I'm not going to sit here and try and do tricks when there's a million people that do tricks way better than me. Maybe someday when I get good enough to merit tricks, I'll show you something. But I know just a few. I know a handful of things that I do, and to anybody who doesn't know anything, they might look impressive, but to people who know how to flip, I look like a fool. Anyways, overall length, you want to get into length here. Let's put this up here. Let's have another drink. All right, we'll talk about the length. It says it is 975. It's a little bit more. Oh no, yep, it is. They're right. I'm not going to get into too many of the specifics here. Blade length 4.2, blade width 0.82. Yes, that was width. Blade thickness 0.12. Blade material is 304. Blade style is a trainer. Yeah. Stone washed. Yeah, it looks like it's a little bit like, you know. Handle thickness 0.50. Handle width 1.50. Handle length 5.50. It's aluminum handle. The color is black. 4.3 ounces, which is much lighter than my other one, and I like that. This thing flips really nice already. I'm really liking this. Way better. It's the Mako after the shark right there. Squids, sharks, sea life. I think that's what they're going for here with their naming. It has Squid Industries right there on the... Sorry, my lighting's not the best, but it says Squid Industries there. It doesn't even have the blade steel on there, does it? Printed anywhere. Let me look. No, it doesn't. Yeah, I don't think they're going to worry too much about it. Anyways, I think that looks cool too. Just let me know. This feels really nice compared to my other one. The sound is cool. It's like clack sound, not quite like the, what is the crackin', rakin', crackin' thing, crab one, which I hope to get sometime, but I don't have one of those. Fit and finish looks really great. There's no lock on these handles, and it's a sandwich style. It's cool. I like this a lot. I mean, very little. Yeah. There's no pocket clip. Yeah. All right, let's look at it with other knives. Well, let's start with the Spyderco. Here's that. Sure, we'll show that guy. We got the bug out, we got paramilitary, and we got the Malibu, Protect Malibu. Here's a UTX-85 Microtech. Dwarfs, makes that thing look small here. Typical Benchmade 940. Of course, this thing's longer than anything I have here. So let's get them out of the way. So that gives you a good idea. Here, we'll go ahead and show you this guy. This is why I got this trainer, because I've been putting tape on mine to not cut the hell out of myself, because it freaking hurts. Little cuts and dings on my hands. So this is considerably longer than, well, not considerably, but a good 3/4 of an inch longer than the Bradley. I like the Bradley, but it's freaking heavy. When this thing whacks into you, it's like somebody threw a rock at you. But there they are, next to each other. That's that. You want to do this? Do a little paper cut. That's my joke. That's about all it does. Opens beers and looks cool. And flips awesome. Let's put that there. Enjoy my drink a little. Refill on that guy. Damn right I got knives here. We'll be seeing you.